Hello there, traders. We're back with a new video. Today, we're going to introduce you to a free manual swing trading system that can be used to trade on H4 or daily timeframes on any pair on MetaTrader 4. The trading system aims to identify the market swings at the initial stages with the support of several technical indicators such as stochastic, RSI, EMA, HMA, and Heikin Ashi candles. We have given the link to download all the indicators and the template for free in the description. After you download, you just need to place all the indicator files inside your indicators folder and place the template file under your template folder. Then simply load the template file. Now let's take a look at the screen. On the main window, you get red and blue Heikin Ashi candles, and the yellow line is a 5-period EMA. The color-changing line is the HMA or Hull Moving Average indicator. On the sub-window, you get two stochastic lines in red and green, and also an RSI line in white. In addition, you have a support and resistance indicator, showing the major support and resistance areas in green and red colors. Now let's look at the entry rules. There are two types of trade that you can take. One is crossover trades, and the other is continuation trades. Here are the crossover entry rules. 1. The HMA line is green and has crossed above the yellow line for buy trades, or the HMA line is red and has crosses below the yellow line for sell trades. 2. The Heikin Ashi candles must have recently changed from red to blue for buy trades and from blue to red for sell trades. 3. The two stochastic lines and the RSI line should be above 50 line for buy trades and below 50 for sell trades. 4. There is no nearby resistance zone for buys or support zone for sells. Now let's look at continuation trade entry rules. You have already closed a crossover trade due to stop loss or take profit. The EMA and HMA have not crossed and continuing in the same direction. The two stochastics and RSI have not crossed 50 line and continuing in the same direction. In such scenarios, we have the opportunity to make continuation entries. Here is an example of continuation buy entry. Here is an example of continuation sell entry. There are some other points to consider when using this system. When entering trades, it is better to enter on the first, second, or third candle after the HMA line crossing the yellow line. Otherwise, your entry could be too late. Don't enter just after a large candle, as the price can go back quickly. Don't enter a trade when the last completed candle has a long wick towards the trading side. We always refer to the last completed candle for entry and exit rules. Do not use the current candle for entry or exit consideration. Now let's discuss lot sizing, take profit, and stop loss. We recommend you use 0.01 for each $1,000 balance in your account if you use H4 charts. So if you have a $1,000 balance, then each trade would be 0.01 lots. Take profit and stop loss levels will be based on 14-period ATR, or average true range. We have also included an ATR indicator for easy reference. And also, we use one-step DCA or dollar cost averaging for trades in case the price is heading the other way. For instance, assuming a $1,000 balance, we get a buy signal and the ATR was 25 pips at the time. Since we have $1,000, our lot size would be 0.01, and we enter the buy trade with 0.01 lots and with 25 pips take profit. However, we do not use stop loss here. Instead, we will add a buy limit order of 0.01 lots 25 pips below the initial entry price. If the price reaches our take profit, we close the buy limit order as well. However, if the price goes down, it may activate the second buy order. And then if the price reaches the initial trade entry price, we close both trades. In other words, when we have two trades, we close both trades when we reach the break even. However, the price may go down further, in which case, we allow the price only to go another 25 pips down from the second trade entry price. If the price reaches that level, we simply close both trades and exit the trades. In other words, our stop loss level is 2 times of the initial ATR. It is 50 pips in this example where first trade will take 50 pips loss while the second trade will get 25 pips loss, accumulating a loss of 75 pips. Okay, now we know the rules. It's high time we did some backtesting with a simulator to further understand how you trade this system. Please note, we are using a third-party simulator, which is not included in the download. We are backtesting on Euro USD chart on H4 timeframe with a deposit of $10,000. You can see now we have a buy setup. Now the ATR is 26 pips, so we enter a buy trade with 0.1 lots with a take profit of 26 pips. And also, we add a buy stop 26 pips below the current price with a stop loss of 26 pips as the potential DCA trade in case price reverse. Now you can see the price directly went to our take profit without activating the stop limit. Once we reach the take profit, we simply close limit order as well. Here we have a sell trade setup. We enter a market sell order and a pending sell order as per the ATR value as usually, and the price hits our take profit without activating our pending order. Once we hit our take profit, we close the pending order as well. Now let's look at a losing trade. Here we have a buy trade and we enter a market order and a pending order based on ATR. You will see that the pending order was activated and the price went further and hit the stop loss of our second trade. When our second trade hit stop loss, we also close our initial trade. Here we incurred 48 pips loss on the initial trade and 24 pips on the DCA trade, making it 72 pips in total loss. So you will notice that our risk to return ratio is 1.3. However, you are likely to have a higher win rate to compensate this lower ratio. Now let's look at a trade closed on break-even. Here we enter a market order and a pending order, as usually the price activated the pending order. Once the pending order is activated, we are simply looking to close all the trades on break-even. As you see, we simply closed both trades once the ongoing trades became break-even. So we hope you have a good idea about our free trading system. We recommend you always test with demo accounts before using real accounts. If you have any questions, please comment below. And last but not least, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified when we release a new video. Thank you for watching and see you around.